I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the Kensington SmartView Organizing Laptop Riser. It is a laptop riser that's perfect for your home, your office, your college dorm, anywhere to be exact. And what it does, it gives you the option to have an ergonomic view of your laptop. Let's have a look. Right off the bat, you'll notice we're using this laptop riser with a 15-inch, and of course it can go up to a 16-inch and all the way down to as small as you want to use it. The big benefit of using a laptop riser is if you're going to use your laptop as your main display, instead of looking down at the keyboard, it's going to be eye level. And to get it eye level, you actually have 5 different levels with this riser. When it comes to changing the height of the riser to get it to the right eye level for you, it's really easy. The first thing we're going to do in this case is remove the laptop. Now with the laptop off the riser, all we're going to do is take the shelf off and we can adjust it. You'll notice that there's 5 different levels, and we can go to the bottommost and just like that, stick it on. And if that's not the right height for you, then you can go ahead to the top level if you want. And just like that, you have the different height for your riser. Now that we have the riser at a level that we want to use, we'll go ahead and take a laptop and we'll just basically stick it onto the riser, open it up, and we're good to go. It's at my eye level and I'm ready to use it. Of course, I can use the keyboard like this, or I can take an external keyboard and use that. And guess what? When you're done with the keyboard, it's just a matter of putting it underneath here in the storage area and you have a clean desk. Another thing I really like about this riser made from Kensington is the fact that there is a spot in the back to hold your headphones. So again, thinking about keeping the desk neat and clean, you can easily store your headphones here when you're not using them. Perhaps you're going to use your laptop riser with multiple displays. So you have this space here on the bottom where you can actually use it with your dock. So you can easily put your dock here on the bottom, run the cables, and by the way, again, you have a cable management spot right here, so you can hide away all the cables. And just like that, you can then set up your keyboard in the front, multiple screens, and you're all set. It is very, very versatile and very useful, especially for people who may have neck or back problems. This is a great way to make sure that you're not crunching down when you're using your laptop. We've all seen those people at coffee shops just going like this and for hours on end, or at the office, and you come away at the end of the day with back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain. Who wants that? The SmartView Organizing Riser from Kensington is just a great product, and it's very, very useful. And I love the fact, again, that you can change the height very easily of this riser just by changing the shelf height. So whether you're using this riser at a standing position, a seated position, you have so much flexibility, and it's nice and sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. And like I said, supports up to a 16-inch laptop, so you're really set to go. I will put a full description below and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.